Zombie apocalypse.
Joshua Tebow presents Caillou makes rain/grounded. Chapter 1, Waiting for the Bus. Requested by East Asian Bob. Shout out to Caleb Barley Productions for subbing to the channel. Sigh, another boring day of school. God damn it. Hey Caillou. Oh my god, hey Classic Caillou. I cannot believe we're on the same bus together. Hell yeah. Let's go. So, Caillou? What grade did you get on the English language arts test? I got an F. Me as well. I hid this paper from my parents so they won't spank me. Oh, right. Good thinking. I did the same thing.
Ooh, some kids. Let's see if they want to try some drugs. Oh kids, you want to try some drugs from me? They make you feel good.
No, they do not. Go away! Yeah. Go away, you drunk man.
Come on, stop being a party pooper. You want to try meth or cigarettes?
You know what?
Holy crap. You just threw the tree branch at my window and it broke. Okay, fine. I'll go away.
What a drug addict. I know, right? The police should arrest him for what he's trying to do. Well, the bus is here. Let's get on. To be continued.